What's your name?
Sophie.
Where are you from?
Sweden.
So what do you think about this place now?
I think it's great. This is here in Broellin. How do you pronounce it?
Yeah.
It's really nice. You can... it's perfect here. Beautiful.
What are you waiting for?
I want to learn how to play the guitar, to become better and to become a better juggler. And it's perfect here because I can ask anyone like, oh, how do I do this on the guitar? Or how do I do this with the juggling? So everybody knows something. I can learn from so many people here. It's like being in a fun school.